On this day, a president challenged humanity to reach the moon. A movie changed cinema forever, and nations moved closer to freedom and unity. May 25th became unforgettable. Some days represent ambition, the ambition to explore space, to unite people, and to create stories remembered for generations. May 25th is one of those historic dates. In 1961, John F. Kennedy announced one of the most ambitious goals in human history. The United States would aim to land a man on the moon before the end of the decade. At the time, the challenge seemed almost impossible, but the speech inspired scientists, engineers, and astronauts to push the limits of technology and exploration. Just 8 years later, humans would walk on the moon, achieving what once felt like a distant dream. In 1977, Star Wars opened widely across the United States, introducing audiences to a galaxy far, far away. Viewers were captivated by lightsabers, epic space battles, and unforgettable characters like Luke Skywalker and Princess Leia. The movie quickly transformed into a global phenomenon, changing the landscape of the film industry forever. Modern blockbuster cinema would never be the same again, setting the stage for countless sequels and franchises to follow. Meanwhile, in 1810, the May Revolution began in Argentina, marking a crucial step toward independence from Spanish colonial rule. This movement became one of the key moments in South America's struggle for freedom and self-government, igniting passion for liberty across the continent. Celebrations of this revolution remind us of the power of collective action and the courage needed to pursue independence. Additionally, May 25th is recognized as Africa Day, a significant observance marking the founding of the Organization of African Unity in 1963. This day symbolizes cooperation, independence, and unity across Africa while honoring the continent's history and its potential for the future. Events of this day remind us of the importance of solidarity among nations and peoples, celebrating the rich tapestry of cultures that make up the African continent. From moon missions that pushed the boundaries of human achievement to independence movements that reshaped nations, and from unforgettable cinematic worlds to the spirit of cooperation on Africa Day, May 25th stands as a testament to the power of imagination, courage, and unity. Throughout history, moments like these remind us that our future is forged by those who dare to dream and act. Therefore, as we reflect on the significance of this date, we are inspired to continue striving for greatness, embracing new challenges, and fostering connections that transcend borders. Subscribe for more daily history, and remember that every day holds the potential for remarkable stories that shape our world.